Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog, you're such a clever dog, you are.
Waffle was waiting for Ellie and Ruby to come to our house to do a rehearsal for the school show.
Huh?
But then he saw something.
Oh. Box? What's in the box? Box! 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 Box!
Oh, hello, little doggy. I've just rang your neighbour's doorbell to give her this box, but she's not in. Can you, by any chance, give this to her later? Of course you can't. You're a dog.
Yeah, can.
I'll get it.
Is it Ruby?
Or Ellie. Oh, wow, that's a big box.
Is that box for us?
That box is for me. The name's Hobbs, Mrs Hobbs. I'm sorry I didn't get to the doorbell in time. I've been busy. This way.
First, can you sign for the box for this, please?
There. Now take this lovely big box next door for me, please. Oh, what's in it, Mrs Hobbs? Not now, Jess. Come along.
What's in the box?
You'll find out what's in the box later today, Waffle.
Poor promise.
Poor promise. You will all find out what's in the box later today. Bye, Mrs Box. Oh, Hobbs. Bye. Come on. Come on, everyone.
I wonder what's in the box.
Well, let's just all take our minds off of what's in the box and unpack some shopping. Right. Oh, look. A box.
And another box.
What's in the box?
Mum, I can't wait to find out, Waffle. That might be Mrs Hobbs already.
Or this time it might be Ruby and Ellie.
Oh, it is. Ruby, Ellie, bye, Fat and bye, Connie. Is everyone ready to have fun rehearsing the school show in our living room?
Yes! But first we need to warm up. So let's dance our way up the stairs while we go to our rehearsal space. All follow me. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Because I am the school show's narrator, I am in charge of all of the rehearsals. So, Doug, Ali, you practice your dance first. Positions.
What about box?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Box!
Waffle couldn't enjoy rehearsals because he couldn't stop thinking about the mystery box. So he went through the tunnel to look for it.
Hop-Hop's box? Hmm? Huh? Uh-oh.
Coming. Thank you.
A new box?
I need to use what's inside this box right now.
Huh? Oh, there's box. What's in the box? What's in the box, George? What's in the box?
watching.
Hobbs, yeah?
Waffle, we paw promised. You've got to wait to see what's in the mystery box, remember? Now, please, go home to your own house and wait there until I'm ready to show you, like a good patient dog.
Waffle! Waffle! Are you next door?
Yes, he is, Evie, with the box.
Waffle! Come back, Waffle!
Waffle, Mrs Hobbs, Paul promised that she'll show you later what's inside the box.
Oh,
You have to wait.
okay, Evie.
Evie, we need you! Coming! Waffle! Waffle, come on!
Coming, Evie.
No more box. Ruby's got a job for you. Waffle, I need you to stop and start the music. So this button is for music on and this button is for music off.
Okay.
Right, so let's practice the dance one more time before we have a snack.
Go!
Snack time!
Ooh,
These should take your mind off the box, Waffle.
the box. Oh, yeah, the box. Sorry. What's inside the box?
Waffle, you're here again.
Boxes.
No more boxes, no.
Oh,
Hello, Angela.
Hello, Mrs Hobbs. Are you ready for your delivery?
Yes, I am. Oh, hello, Waffle.
Oh, I wasn't expecting to see you here.
Waffle, go back to your own house now, please.
oh.
And bring all the Brooklyn Bells back to my house with you.
Box.
Yes, it's time to reveal my big surprise.
Show me.
I'll show everyone. Now, off you go. Move those paws.
Yay! Box. 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 Box.
What is it, Waffle?
It's just.
Yes, Waffle?
It's just.
Go on, Waffle.
Hobbs, box now! Come on! Box!
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
At last, we're going to see what's in the box.
Come in. I know you've all been itching to find out what's inside the big box, especially you, Waffle.
Yeah!
More than anything, Mrs Hobbs, I've only just come home and I've heard all about this box.
What is it?
Well, it's a big surprise, Waffle. But at last, it's time to reveal.
Yeah?
My surprise is, look.
Peppa!
I've decided to adopt little Peppa.
Adopt? I can't believe it.
Oh, Peppa! New neighbour!
I've tried so many things to put sparkle into my life, like roller skating and skiing. But now I know you, Peppa, are exactly what I need.
Hobbs love dogs now.
I love this dog, Waffle.
But Mrs Hobbs, would George like living with Peppa?
Oh, I'm sure he will, Evie. Georgie can still have happy alone time when I take Peppa out for our walks. Because Georgie knows he's still my kitty catty muffin, aren't you, Georgie Porgy?
Hobbs, what's in the box?
Oh, I nearly forgot the box.
What is it?
What is that? It's a bed for Peppa.
Yes. And here's Peppa's new room. Come and see. It's finished. Look. I've been working on it all day.
Wow, Hobbs!
It's a dog room. It's a doggy dream.
Yeah!
Lucky Peppa.
I love these doggy ramp designs, Mrs Hobbs.
Yes, and Georgie can still sit in the window. And Waffle,
Yeah?
you are allowed to play here too, if you play nicely.
Oh, thanks, Hobbs. Waffle play.
This is amazing, Mrs Hobbs. Congratulations, Peppa. Oh, lucky Peppa. Right, everyone, should we leave Peppa to settle into her new home? Come on.
Bye, Peppa.
Bye, Peppa.
Bye, Mrs Hobbs. Ruby, let's go and rehearse the Poodles class song. Okay, Ruby. And Waffle, you can sing your special line.
Yeah.
Oh, Ali,
I've got an idea of who we need. Mrs Hobbs, we were going to invite you to come and see our show, but would you like to be in it?
Doing what, Douglas?
Playing the music for our dance. You could use my musical instrument invention again.
Oh, the return of my one-woman band. I'd love to. It's just the sort of thing that neighbours and fellow dog owners do for each other.
Thanks, Mrs Hobbs.
Bye, Peppa.
Bye.
Come on, Waffle.
So Waffle did find out what Mrs Hobbs' surprise was. And having Peppa as our new neighbour was the best surprise of all.
Everybody!